my channel. Today I wanted to do something that I've never seen before, and since my husband drives a semi, I figured why not clean out his truck, because I don't think I've ever seen a video on YouTube where someone is cleaning out a semi or 18-wheeler, whatever you call it. So that's what we're going to do today. Okay, that is it for this video. I've hit my head inside of this truck multiple times, but most of the dust is gone. I wiped all of this down, straightened all of this up, vacuumed out the seats. I've got to take, there's the trash, and take those back into the house, my cleaner and rag. Got the bed made. Got in here, washed out because it was really dirty in there. Got the fridge cleaned out, wiped all that down. Wiped this down, wiped that. Got the microwave cleaned up, and got the shelf cleaned up. That was a chore I'm not sure I ever want to do again. But anyway, that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. It's something new that I've never seen before. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. Feel free to comment and let me know what you think. Subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.